Hello everyone, we are from Amu engineers of the solution team. I'm Mu,
I'm Jiang Gong.
Recently, we have done an interesting project. Today, I will share it with you. In an area, we used a warm car cluster to search for specific targets. After finding the target, the warm vehicle will go there and use the mechanical arm to grab and recover it by combining drones. Warm car and mechanical arm, three kinds of robots, combined into a heterogeneous and cross-domain robot cluster system to solve some problems in complex scenarios. After the mission starts, we select the search area at the ground station and send the task. 3 P600 drones will conduct a saturated search in the target area.
The SpireCV running on the aircraft is spoiled for identifying spits and output 3 key data: coordinates, confidence, time stamp.
Okay, then we noticed that one of the drones has found the target and send the target location to other drones. The other drones will also head to the target point and encircle and capture the target. The target coordinates are sent to the unmanned car. The unmanned vehicle completes local path planning. It moves along the planned trajectory and avoids obstacles. It successfully reaches the target.
After reaching the target, the camera on the manipulator takes a second shot. Let the robotic arm grab the Rubik's Cube. We can see that. The grabbing process is smooth and accurate, and successfully grab the Rubik's Cube. The task is successfully completed.
Okay, that's all for today's project case sharing. This is a set of scientific research. Air-ground collaborative robot cluster development platform. It can realize drone cluster search and vehicle navigation, mechanical armor, target grabbing, and air-ground coordination. The code is open source and supports second development. If you are interested in, please contact us if you are interested. See you next time.
Bye-bye.